Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. I'm just going to try and get you in a little bit closer. Come on. And a bit more, yeah, that might do. There you go. You see before you a 12 by 14, 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I've put some pale green over, and it has a little bit of grey running through it. It's really quite pretty. And I'm going to just do a swipe and a tilt and see what I come up with. So I am going to swipe with white and just put the colours on a little bit all over. And I have silicone in each one of them. The recipes you will find down below under this video on Show More. And there's my pretty gold going on, and I have to leave the door open, so I do apologise for excess traffic noise, but it is 34 degrees here and rising at the moment, which is centigrade, and Fahrenheit that would be, give or take, around about 94. So you might say warm. I just don't want to be locked in here with the warm. Although I don't like the cold at all. Thankfully we never get snow here, thank goodness. And our winters are what you might call mild, but I find them cold. Subtropical here. Very close to tropical. And still black. And I'm hoping some of this sort of bluey grey base will come through. So we'll soon see, won't we? Which is why I'm not too worried about doing the edges, because if it comes through it'll be nice. And I have my little swipey cloth. I'll just give him a shake out. And you're going to be behaving? Yes, he is. Sort of. Ah, goodness gracious. Okay, and again. Okay, let's not talk about that. I didn't put a swipe colour on. I'll tell you it's hot today. So I'm going to do white, I said. Right, let's try that. I don't know that you really need a swipe colour, really. And it's coming up roses. Who said they didn't like snow? Just bake up some of this white, let the colours come through. That is so pretty. So I might just tilt it down this way. I have to do the edges while I'm standing here. You're going down? Yes, they're going down. Bring him back this way. Before I do that, I might put him over these edges too, because the colours are really, really pretty. There's a lot of paint. can always put a bit more on here and there if I so wish. Right, he's over. Goodness, it's going to be different. Just bring him down. Have a look. You know, it's a little bit busy. In fact, it's a whole lot busy. So I'm going to do a bit more of a swipe with some more blue, definitely more gold, and this time I'll centre swipe it, and some white, and a trusty black. That gold and black here looks really good, but I want to have something that's a little bit different again. I'll just get the cloth. It's pretty wet. I'll just give him a pretty good. That should do it. And now, the colours on the cloth are gorgeous. On the drip. Okay, now I'm more interested. Just letting some drips come off because of the colours on the cloth are really, really pretty. Right. And I think we'll just take him a tad that way. Run some of that off. Oh yes, this one I like. A bit more maybe. Right, now I have my little beach scene. Get my blues and just make the blue a bit more defined in places. A little bit along the top here. Yes, I'm really liking this. It's so pretty. You know, I might put a little bit more gold into it too. There are some places here where the gold is, but it's not very standing out, and it kind of should look a bit like sand, but it doesn't. Yes. Oh. Looks like the beach. Tide's just turning. Who knows whether it's coming in or out. As the eye perceives, I guess. Right, I'm happy. Oops, I got a dribble. Stop that. And I'll just move the gold a little bit. And then leave it. What I am going to do now is torch it. That's come up lovely. I'm glad I messed with it and changed it around and did everything to it, because it's come up lovely. Good on you. Okay, so I have another one here. I don't know how much this one has in it, but we'll soon find out. Phew. Yes. Got a few days to go. My daughter is bringing me a heat gun that was donated to me, which I'm very, very grateful for, and I was asked not to say the name, so I won't, but to that school teacher in southwestern Queensland, I do say thank you very, very much. I do appreciate it. So let's bring you down to have a look. Just had a sip of my ice water here. Oh, Goodness gracious. I hope you people, when you're watching these videos, I hope you have a nice cup of coffee or a nice cup of tea with you, so you can sit back and just relax for a little minute or three. That would be nice. That's what I've been looking at, and I quite like it. I think it's quite pretty. And have a few cells and a little bit of lace here and there on it, just enough to sort of make it a bit bubbly. And up here the black has got cells in it, look like rocks underneath the water. There's my waves, my golden sand. Yes, I'm very happy with this one. So, I think I've told you everything, and thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please click on subscribe and the little bell, and you'll be notified when I get more videos up. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.